Order submitted.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Thursday, June 8th. Welcome. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day. Let me share this in the group. Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. I'm going to share this in the group. If someone on TikTok could share the link for TikTok. Oh, it's already shared. Thank you so much, Marv. Awesome. And let me send this to Amy, and then
Order
maybe
filled.
I'll also...
Order submitted.
Good morning, good morning. Hi, we're doing so well. Already green on the day, $500. I also have all of my testing setups off to the side. I will show you those in a moment. I was thinking about getting Santa set up because I don't have it set up. So let me just pull that up really quickly. I hope everyone's being safe with all of these wildfires. Hopefully no one is in New York or Canada where
Order
it was like
canceled.
really bad yesterday. So
Order
hopefully
submitted.
none of you are in. Yeah, hopefully everyone will survive. Yep, bud. And no one's in the middle of all that smoke. Stay inside if you can, because it looks bad. Even here it looks bad. All right. Market's moving back up a little. This is the LIS. Hey, Elmo on the yellow line. I'm loading Santa
Order
off to the
canceled.
side, so just give me 1 second and I will get to the questions. Turn this on. Perfect. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see what we're in right now. We're in a $230 run of bold wave on gold. Let's check this out. Gold's been doing really well. Gold is green $840 overnight. I actually updated the stop loss from what I was running yesterday
Order
in the trail.
submitted.
So it's taken 15 trades. The biggest loss was 200, the biggest win was 300, and it's made $840 since last night at 7 p.m. And then it's in this trade. So it's really around $1,100 at the moment. Also, I'm going to show you guys bold line in a moment because that is in, a $250 short here, $300 short on bold line.
Order canceled.
This was green $1,100 at 7 a.m. It had a few losses recently, but overall it's doing so well. Yesterday it made $2,100. I think Jen showed this on her live stream in the afternoon yesterday from 2 to 3 p.m. And gold is still in this long for $250. So let's keep an eye on this. This is bold wave. Remember, bold wave, bold line, and bold bars are all being tested. But this is green now again, $1,000 on the day. This is green $840 on the day plus this trade that's happening here. There are 4 more days for the Save 80 on Apex. If you want to use Apex and risk none of your own money,
Order submitted.
you can easily do that by going to apextraderfunding.com and then use the code
Order
Save
canceled.
80. Good morning, good morning. Hey, Amber, how are you? So green on the day, 500 so far on range. That is what I'm running live. So I hit the offset here on oil and the offset here on oil for $200. And then gold had a short here overnight, which was amazing. Made $300 on this. It hit the target and then the offset. This would have been a nice long on gold, but our confirmation didn't hit, and we were talking about that in the chat. So gold on wave is still in this long, $250. Also, other things overnight that have done well. Oil on wave is green, $760, and
Order
Q
canceled.
on wave made $490 overnight. ES is red, $125, and YM is green, $100.
Order submitted.
All right, NQ is in this short now on line. Hey, Carter. Oh, I even forgot to unblock you. So I guess maybe Jen did. Or maybe I muted you for the whole live and that was it. I'm so sorry. I promise I didn't mean to do that. You're like one of my favorite people. So we're in the short on NQ on line. If you want more information on the algorithm, please email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Jen will be live this afternoon. Green $420 on the short. You can see the trail has moved down, so it's guaranteed green
Order
regardless
submitted.
if it hits here or it hits the target here. The target here is $500. That's what we want to see. Let's see if we can get there.
Order canceled.
All right, it hit that $500, so it's back to positive 1,000. Gold is green, $340 on this long. Really nice move here on gold. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat.
Order submitted.
Please give a thumbs up or tap the screen if you're in TikTok. Tap, tap, tap. Just right on your cell phone, tap it up. If you're on YouTube, please
Order
give a thumbs up.
canceled.
There's 25 of you on YouTube. Thumbs ups really help to
Order
let other
submitted.
people be aware of the stream. NQ's in another trade. Now it's in a long for $120. The stop loss will move up after it gets positive 200, so it hasn't gotten there yet, so it's going to stay down here in the red. We'll see what happens there. 165. I feel like I'm an auctioneer. 400 on this gold long. There we go. The stop loss is, I think it moved up a little bit. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just seeing things with my eyes. Let's see. 155. 175. 210. There it goes. See that stop loss just moved up? Very good. That's guaranteed green on that trade. 420 on this gold long. 430 on the gold long. Jen will be showing you this later at 2 to 3 p.m. as well as showing you this. Green, $385, $400 on this long for NQ, almost at the $500 target. Guaranteed green regardless, but let's see if we can hit that 500 at 400, 405, 410, 425. Push, 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 push,
Order
push.
filled.
You're 2 points away. You can see that trail is continuing to move up. Go, go, go. Even if it hits here,
Order
still
canceled.
another $250 there. Very nice. Gold is still in this long, $450. I want all the hearts, Almo. I want the hearts. I want 15,000 hearts. Yesterday we had 12,000 or something like that. We had 10,000 the other day. I think we had 15,000 the other day too. So just keep tapping until your thumb is like falling off. That's the goal here. If you guys have questions, please put them in the chat. $500 on this gold long now with one contract. And it's already green $840 overnight. So what's $840 plus $500? I don't know. $1,340. $1,340 with one mini. One mini. This is a huge run. NQ is green $1,000. Oil is green $760 on Wave. The other NQ on Wave is green $500. YM and ES are struggling a bit. Both red about $100, but $100 is nothing, so that's fine. $550 on this long. Thank you, Carter. I pinned that. Well, I think I did. Yes, 6,000 likes. Let's go. Keep tapping. Again, Jen is going to be hosting a live this afternoon from 2 to 3 p.m. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30, but I will be on a flight tomorrow at 9:40. Oh, speaking of, I should be checking in, but it doesn't actually matter. I'll just do it later. Cool.
Order submitted.
Whoa, 600 on this gold long. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I could do 1,000 in like 30 seconds. Oh, I love it, Almo. This is gold wave. I'm not live. I wish I was, because this is $1,400 now on the day with one mini. $1,400 with one contract. It's insane.
Order
If you want more
submitted.
information, just email me.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Nice job, J-Down. Some of our members today. J-Down already made 600 on all of his accounts. Ted Hall made around 400 on all of his accounts. Amber made 300 on all of her accounts. Franco, day number 4 of 3 Apex accounts, made 600 on all of his accounts. Matt S made 500 on all of his accounts. The list just goes on and on. It's just never ending. That's why I haven't even been posting results lately, because so many it just looks exactly
Order
the same every
submitted.
day, which is awesome because it's just like green, green, green.
Order submitted.
It is 9:40, so the market honestly just opened. Santa tried to get in a short. It got a small stop. Oh, early's in a trade. Let's see if we can push up here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Push, push, push. See if we can hit TP1 and then TP2 on this push. Need like 69, 68, 69. I'm just giving all these emojis on the thing.
Target filled.
Target filled. TP1 hit on early. Let's go. Let's
Order
get
canceled.
Let's get it in the chat. We got to push up a little more. Little more. There we go. Almost there.
Target filled.
Target 2 hit. Let's go. Both targets hit on MQ early. Let's go. Eggs is feeding us. Let's go. So now on the day, I'm green, $750. Charlie said I made $470 on 5 Apex
Order
evaluation
filled.
accounts. Awesome job, Charlie. You're almost at your funded accounts. NQ's in a $300
Order
trade.
submitted. Order
NQ
canceled.
just took profit here. It had a
Order submitted.
$300 long. Green 1300 on this setup now on bold line. Let's go. If you want more info, just email. I've never traded. How do you get started? Yep, so you just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yes, Charlie, that too. You just got to trust in the algo. If you don't trust it, then why are you using it? You know what I mean?
Order submitted.
Even yesterday, we had that one loss on the second target. Oh, I reached out to my developers adding the trail on range. Obviously, it has to hit like TP1 first because we're not going to hit TP1 and then not, and have it move up before that. You know what I mean? Yeah, cash out super easy. So if on NinjaTrader cash account, you can cash out anytime you want, as many times as you want. If you're talking about Apex, you can cash out twice per month. And the first 3 months, they limit your cash outs at $2,000 per account. But then after the 3 months, there's no limit. Charlie said, I've never traded futures, and these people are super helpful. If I can, anyone can. What'd you say, B? So guaranteed green on this long. Gold took profit on that wave trade we were looking at. And it's in another trade. It's in another long, but it took profit. So it's green $1,320 with 1 mini. Let me put this up here. Look at this. 1 mini, $1,320 since last night. The biggest drawdown was $390. The biggest loss was $200. Like, that's huge. So this is gold on bold wave. I'm just taking a quick picture. Bam. Let me send this over to Amy. What's that Sharpie ratio? I feel like the Sharpie's been so good on that. 5.
Order submitted.
Yes, Charlie just uses the bots. Most people in
Order
my group,
canceled.
I have 215,
Order
19
submitted.
people. 217 members, and all of them pretty much just use the bots. There are maybe like 5 people that don't use the bots and they just manually trade from my mentorship. But the other 210 use the bots. Lauren, look at Slack. I'm trying. Oh, someone posted in chat. Oh, we gotta delete that. Irma, please message Todd. I don't know what that's about. She'll get on it.
Order canceled.
Thank you. Thank you, Almo. There's so many things that are always bouncing around. All right, so overnight, gold overnight was 300.
Order submitted.
Gold early, no trades.
Order filled.
And oil overnight was 200, right? Yeah, 200. All right, so gold is in this extended long again. Already made $1,300 on the day. And Q is in this short for $280. We'll see 290. We'll see how long this can drop. Yeah, if you want to learn how to manually trade and actually understand what you're looking at, then you need the mentorship. If you are too busy and you're a truck driver or you're working on an oil rig all day long and there's no way that you can manually trade, then there's not a big reason for you to do that, and the algorithm would just be the thing you would be using. $400 on this NQ short. Yes, Charlie, I can't wait till you get the mentorship. 425 on this short. Gold is green 100 on that long. Santa's in a short. Ooh, Santa's in a short later than we are. You see how we're already in this short and Santa's getting in later?
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
See that small loss now. It is another short. This gold is so smooth. Guaranteed green on gold here. Still moving up $200. So right now $15.20 on the day, but guaranteed whatever 200 less behind is. Nice job. Everyone's posting in chat. If you have questions, please put them in the chat on the road while using the algos. Yep. It's very popular. I think I have like 3 or 4 truck drivers that use the algorithm. Hey, Carlos. And they honestly turn it on at night when they're in their truck, and then they're on the road all day, just, you know, doing their job, making deliveries. And then they reap the benefits at the end of the day, and they post their results. And they're like, oh, this is great. So even people that are in and out of meetings all day, some people will be in a meeting and then they come back and they're like, oh, you know, NQ just made $300, or oh, I was out to lunch, I had a lunch meeting, or whatever it might be, or I went to the gym.
Order filled.
All right, target hit. I mean, not target, I apologize. The trail hit $1,500 on this gold now. $1,500.
Order submitted.
Gold just got another trade. Where are we at in the grand scheme of things? So this is the LIS. This is the chop zone that's given to my members every day. You're not leveraging anything. The price of a contract is the price of the contract. There's no leverage in futures. I'm a truck driver that does just happen to be unloading at live time. Nice, Charlie. The algo, again, if you email me, KSS, you'll get all this information.
Order canceled.
It's $500 for the first 21 days and then $1,000 every month after that. If you use Apex, you are risking none of your own money or your own cash or capital. You're paying $36 for a $50,000 account.
Submitted.
The sale ends in 4 days. So you have to go to the Apex website, use the code SAVE80. And then you get a $36, $50,000 account for $36. And you're not risking any of your own cash. Sometimes I get the common question like, well, what happens if I lose money? Nothing. You don't owe anyone money. You don't have to pay anything back. It's because in your evaluation, you're in simulation. Once you pass, once you show them you can trade and you're a good trader, then they give you a actual cash account. You still can't take the money out of that cash account. It's not your actual cash. It's just cash that you're using to trade with. So again, that Apex code is SAVE80, and the sale is only for a few more days. So if you want to take advantage, and you can have up to 20 accounts, and that's what my members do. If you see this, look at my members. They have 10, 20 accounts. Look at Carlos. 9:45, he's done for the day. He made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 accounts that each made $700, $600. So he made over $7,000 today on his Apex accounts.
Order submitted.
And he's not risking any of his own cash. I love it, Bubba. I love it. Love to see it. Oh, I read that 1 minute. Oh, it hasn't taken any trades yet. And Q's in this long. We'll see if it can recover. Do you have to keep hitting a mouse all day to keep... No. I don't even have to be here for this to happen, user 382. I could be gone. I'm not clicking anything. This is all done for me. Like, my hands could sit here and all of these trades are still happening. Also, I'm getting my nails done today. I think I'm going to go back to, like, skin color or white. All of this is fully automated. It's 100% automated. The clicking you hear me doing is coming from over here when I'm looking at my group or responding to somebody on YouTube. It has nothing to do with the algorithm. The algorithm will do everything on its own. I'm just showing you the different trades that are happening. The different... No. It smells? Maybe it's you. So yeah, and I'm just clicking emojis on people in the group. Don't worry about that, Bubba. Clicking is KB, not the mouse. Thanks, Jen. And Q's in this. Or I'm just going back and forth and showing you the different charts.
Order canceled.
Getting chopped up here. What time is it? Oh, 9:50. Jen, I started looking at those times yesterday.
Order submitted.
45s. We got to take note of those so we can just be more prepared. All right. And I'm also typing like in the other areas like our spreadsheet. We are green 750 on the day so far. What's the plan for higher tiers when Bold, Wave, and Line come out? Will the membership cost more? Yeah, that's... So, LJ, yeah. The premium tier would be more expensive. That's just how it would be. I don't know the actual price yet, but it's something I've been thinking about for a while. So, if we have premium algorithms, like just Wave on Gold has made $1,500, you know, so by 9:45 a.m. or whatever it is. Yeah, no, there's no test because they're not complicated and the settings are very straightforward. It will be more of, so there will be the basic tier, which is what everybody has now. That will include Bold Range, Scalper. If you're a student, Bold Chop, all of that will be included in the regular subscription. And then the premium tier will include Bold Line, Bold Wave, and possibly Bold Bars. I have to see, because we're still testing stuff to see if it's even worth it to use that. But yeah. So it'll be something like that. So when somebody has 13 accounts, they're paying... What? No. KSS. You can have multiple accounts under the same username, and you only pay one subscription. You only pay one subscription. No. So Apex allows you to have up to 20 accounts.
Order submitted.
But it's all under the same username. So as long as it's under the same username, like Kevin has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Daniel has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You only pay one subscription. But you can have up to 20 accounts on Apex, which then connects to NinjaTrader. Steve, the premium hasn't come out yet. The premium tier has not been released yet. Hi, William. So KSS, does that answer your question? So all these people have multiple accounts, but they only pay one subscription for the algorithm, and the algorithm trades on all of their accounts. They either use a trade copier from Apex, which is $150. It's a one-time fee, or they use, or they just apply the algorithm to every single account. Nope, no worries. So see, all of these, but these people only pay one subscription. Now, if you wanted to add your wife on or your child or whatever, they have a different username, they have a different login, that would be a separate subscription. But you yourself, as long as it's under your Apex, username and your personal login, then it's all just one subscription because it's just one machine using that subscription. All right, almost at target here for $500 on NQ. Hi, William. So gold is green, almost $1,400 here. NQ on this setup has gone back and forth. It was green $1,100 at 7 a.m. Then it kind of took a dip. Then it was back at $1,000 when we were live together a few minutes ago. Now it's at $800. So you don't want to, and this is why testing is so important. I have to narrow down the times that this works the best. It's not a good idea to run it all hours of the day like I'm doing in testing, and then we're about to hit target here. And then you have to pay for fees on 100 trades. You know, it's much better to pay fees on 10 or 15 trades and you make your $1,000. Like, there's no reason to go back and forth and give the money back. But that's all part of testing, and that's the whole reason why we test, because I need to find the best times of the day. I need to find, you know, the times that don't work, maybe the days of the week that don't work, stuff like that. So, gold is guaranteed green on this long. Again, gold is around $1,500 on the day with one mini. This is one mini. We're used to trading typically two minis. That came back up and hit the trail. Obviously, you could have moved that at some point and got more of that $500. Oil is also green 760 overnight on wave. That is this. It caught this huge move at 5:35 a.m. Let's stretch this out. Do you guys see this? It got long at 72.34 and it went all the way up to, and it even went higher, and then it pulled back to the trail. It went up to 73.28. It went almost 1,000 ticks, or $1,000, which is 100 ticks. 72 to 73. Like, that's huge. Yes, you can use the Algo during the Apex trial, correct. I don't know why you tagged KSS. He's brand new. He doesn't know. He doesn't know what we're talking about, but yes, like, he's still learning just like you. But yes, people in my group, they all use the Apex evaluation accounts during the evaluation. I know, like, I'm like, I don't know why he's tagging you. You could literally tag anyone else. You could tag Mr. H Boss, you could tag LJ, you could tag Marv. They're all in my group. You could tag Jen, Carter, Bubba, but yeah, not the one guy that has no idea what's going on. Tag Jay down. Anyone except for that one guy asking all the newbie questions. All right, green $460 on this long of NQ.
Order canceled.
All right, target hit $1,150. Again, this one down here almost hit. So if you would have moved that target up a little bit right here, you would be green 1,500 easily on this on the day. And I'm going to break it down for if we just started it earlier. Yes. William, this is bold line. This is bold wave. It made 800 overnight on oil. It's made 1,500 so far on gold. And this is all with one mini. I'm only trading one contract. You can see that right here. It says one. One mini making, what's 800 plus 1,500 plus 1,500? $3,800 in one day by 10 a.m. That's why the tier 2 is going to be, the premium tier is going to be a little more expensive. Also a sneakerhead. Oh, I didn't even read like his whole name. More eggs on the stove. Oh, Chef, really? Well, no, there's no more eggs. What? I'm not in an eggs trade. Oh, you're saying about to be? Ugh. Don't love that. Don't love that. I'm just not going to look because it's always better that way.
Submitted.
It's always better that way. For me to just not look.
Order filled.
Gold took profit, so gold is green, 1470. Oil is not in a trade. Oh shoot, scalpers in a $500 trade. Scalper's in a $500 long. I didn't even notice this. Poor little scalper. So if you're going to stay on the tier, like the tier that everyone's at right now, which is the...
Order canceled.
I don't want to call it basic, but tier 1...
I hate sports.
Order submitted.
Oh, no. Tier 1 would include bold range, scalper, bold chop. If we bring LIS back out, that will also be included. We're also working on some overnight range setups, so those are coming. I'm also going to be updating range with that trail stop that we've been discussing the last few days. But yeah, so covering all those things. What was I saying? So yeah, so the subscription that everyone has now will have bold range, scalper. If you're a student, you get bold chop, and then bold
Order submitted.
LIS if we bring that back out. $500 on
Order
this one here.
canceled.
Sorry, my water bottle is making a bunch of noise. It's 10 o'clock. Let's see if we can get this push up here for early. Don't disrespect Santa like that. I know I've just been so busy watching so many other things. It's crazy. I really like how people have been making the money that they want to make and then they're done for the day. Like, Almo, are you done for the day now? You've made $1,100. You know, like, let's not be greedy in this whole thing where you make $600 to $1,000 by 9:30, by, 9:45. You should probably be wrapping up for the day. Not giving advice, not saying that, but a lot of people, especially on Apex, have been doing a really good job of that, and I just want to let you guys know I'm proud of you. Have a plan, have a goal, stick to it, come back the next day, But I do run everything all day, and I don't touch it. So, you can also always do that. Sorry, I'm putting emojis on people in the chat. Yeah, so Santa is scalper. This is scalper. Yes, you get access to that after 1 week of being in the group. So this is the algorithm scalper, so that is included in the standard plan. So you get range, which overnight has already made us $750. That's the blue box one. That's this. You get range. You get scalper, which is this. Santa is just a nickname for one of the strategies on scalper. All right, we're moving up. Let's get a push here. We got to get over this 80. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push, push, push. We got to get over this 80. We got to get back to like 90, 95. Do I have any levels in this area? No, it's pretty open. We could easily go to 400 here, but it might reject at 400. All right, we're moving up $150 on early.
Target filled.
Target filled. TP1 hit on early. Let's go. This is the second trade of the day on that. Let's see if we get TP2 here. We got to get up to like 95. It might be a little hard.
Order submitted.
Yes, TP1 hit. Now, if you're a student of mine, you know a little better in this 95 area and 400. But we'll see. We'll see what it can do. It's 10:03. 17,000 likes. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I'm going to give myself some likes. Nice job. Ahmad made over $1,000 on his eval accounts. That's enough for the day.
Filled.
Nice. He made $3,000 total. Let's see if we can push up here. What do we need? 95? This is at 85. Assuming we need like 95. I don't have my chart trader on. Remember, Jen will be live 2 to 3 p.m. today on TikTok only. And she will be doing live tomorrow morning. She'll be doing the live tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon because I will be on a flight. So if you want to do a cash account, Lexi, then the minimum is $2,000. If you don't want to use your own cash, you can use Apex, which is a fully funded...
Target filled.
All right, TP2 hit. It was 90. That's easier than 95. So...
Order submitted.
Now we are green. $1,000 on the day. $1,000 on the day. $1,000, and it 2, 3, 5 trades, 5 for $1,000. Sorry, you guys weren't able to see this. But yeah, Lexi, if you don't want to use your own cash, you can use Apex, which is a prop firm. A prop firm allows you the prop firm allows you to use the prop firm's like cash and not your own. We're also in a $230 long of line, $400 long. They're doing a sale, save 80 on all of their accounts right now, so you could get a $50,000 cash account for $36. Double egged. Let's go. We need an egg. We need an egg gif in the chat. Oh, that's so cute. If you want more information, just email me. That's the easiest way to get more information. $500, $600 on this long now. We got over that 400 nice and easy. I'm actually surprised about that. But very nice. Gold is also in another long green, $100. J down, I like that.
Order submitted.
Which is that gold. Gold is guaranteed green on this long. $200. Yep, just email me. It's the easiest way to get more info. We'll be live again at 2 p.m. this afternoon, 2 to 3 p.m.
Order submitted.
$240 on this long. Gold is over $1,500 on the day on Wave. Remember, this is Bold Wave. This is being tested. This is not released yet, but it's killing it. Also, on line. Oh, Santa's in a short. Online, guaranteed green on this short. It went all the way down here to 90. I think you could play with line. Like, I would let it do its thing, but you could play with the targets and the trail and really make so much money so quickly. It's already over $1,200 on the day. It was $1,500 a few minutes ago. So you could turn it off. Thank you. Yep, so we go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m., all Eastern Standard Time. So right now it's 10:08. I'll be live. Woo! Look at this, look at this, look at this. I'll be live for another 15 minutes or so, and then Jen, who's one of my co-pilots, she uses the algorithm. She goes live in the afternoon, 2 to 3 p.m. So join us, Lexi, after this stream, join us at 2 p.m. We'll be here on TikTok. And then, but we go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Please tap that screen, send some likes if you appreciate it. Feel free to share the live with anyone that you think might enjoy it. 300 on this short of the NASDAQ. Gold is still in that long. It's green, $220. So we're just kind of bouncing back and forth between these. Santa is also in a short, but it's only green, $55. This one is doing much better. Sure thing. I just hit my knees. Yes, bud. Yeah, we're about to be done. And then I gotta, oh yeah, because I gotta take my little one for an allergy shot. So good. Come here.
You did better than that Monday.
Order
Better than
filled.
yesterday. Much better. All right, let's see if we drop. I think my Santa is acting out. Platform crash last night and Santa's in it. Oh, you know why? That's because if your platform turns off or crashes or whatever the terminology is, then you're going to have to fully reset up Santa. Scalper is really picky,
Order
whereas
filled.
if the platform ever gets turned off or if you ever disable it, you have to delete the strategy and re-add it. All right. Still in this short here. You can see the trail has moved down. I'm posting my results because I'm green $1,000 on the day.
Order submitted.
You guys can see that here. This is my
Order
sim
canceled.
account. This is my real account. All right, so profit was taken there on the trail. This NQ is green $1,310, and then gold is also hit the trail $1,400. 1 second.
It'd be cool if you had this much money.
Oh yeah, I made that much money today off of
Order
the
submitted.
algorithm.
If you made this much money.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of money. That 2,000. That who made that? Alma made it.
2,000. No,
Uh huh.
the one
I
that.
thought it was this one too.
No,
Oh.
no.
All right, read
The
it.
one that's 1,000,090.
There's no 1 million. This is $1,090 or 2,000. You were saying that one correctly. Go ahead. 622 and 50 cents. 50 cents. Good job. All right. I have an affiliate question. Do I ask in Slack? Yes. Please just DM me, William. That would be best. Okay, as soon as we finish NQ early, I'll do it. Sounds good. Yeah, we're trying to get that million. He was reading 1,000 as a million. All right, it's 10:11. I'm going to wrap it up a little early. Gold is in another trade here on Wave. Nothing else is in a trade right now.
10:11. It's 10:10.
Yeah, you remember we fixed your clock yesterday, but I think it's like a few seconds behind. Watch, it will change in a second. See, my computer says 10:11.
Wait.
You gonna change it again? All right, Jen. Thanks, Josh. Did you fix it? Jen will be live at 2 p.m. Please check her out.
There.
Oh, gosh, what is that? What is happening? Okay, there we go. There we go. All right. Jen will be live at 2. Have a great day. Be safe.
There.
Please, no. Okay. No. All right. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye. I won't be back till Monday, but Jen will be live this afternoon, and she will be live tomorrow morning.
Next Monday.
Well, yeah, which will be in like 3 days.
No, it will be in 5 days.
All right. YouTube will not be live tomorrow. Jen will be live on TikTok. So if you want to check out the live stream tomorrow morning, it has to be on TikTok.
There we go.
Thank you. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Jesus. Yeah, literally so chatty. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good day. Bye.
We're playing Lego.
Legos.